Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. This cost me about 429 Australian dollars. It works with your iPhones and also works with your Android device. This is said to be the best noise cancelling earbuds out there in the market. Let's see what you get inside of the box and unbox this. So there's this pull tab right here, which you can take out. Now you just take the flap out. It's a grayish kind of box. So let's lift this up. Right here, you will see the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. There is a QR code, which if you scan, you get to install the Bose Music app with which you can configure the settings for these earbuds. So let's take this out. The case is kind of hefty, kind of bigger than the AirPods Pro 1st gen and the 2nd gen because this is a bit taller. So let's take the plastic out. As you can see here at the back, that's basically the button to pair the Bose with your phone. On the front, you also get to see the Bose logo. On the bottom, there is the USB-C charging port with which you can charge. I believe these earbuds or the case does not charge wirelessly, but I will have to confirm that. From what I've read online, they do not charge wirelessly. And if you lift this up, there's your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. So let's install the app to set this up. You can type the Bose Music inside of the App Store or the Google Play Store. This is what the app looks like. You can basically press on install. Once you do that, it's going to download it. Now that the app is installed, you can basically hit open. You can basically do connect a product, which is right there. You can also choose to create an account if you don't already have it. I'm just going to do connect a product, and then it says we need nearby device access, which you can do allow and then hit allow. So once you do that, you get to select either headphones or frames. For us, it's going to be headphones, so do that. And then it's going to ask you to create My Bose account if you don't have it. So you can just do get started. And then it's going to ask you to agree to the terms of use, privacy policy, and then I agree. Then basically sign up with email or sign up with Facebook if you want. Let's do sign up with email and then select the country. I'm in Australia, so that's going to be it for me. So now it's searching for nearby devices. Hopefully it's going to be able to pick it up. So as you can see here, the first option is the QuietComfort Earbuds. What you can do is you can open the lid here and it picks it up, as you can see here. Now you can hit connect. So it's connecting. So it's saying pair with the Bose. Okay, it finally connected. Now you can name it. So it's currently setting up the name and completing the setup. So it's saying your product has been renamed. Tune to your ears. At the start of each session, your earbuds will play a quick orchestral tone. Custom tune technology uses the sound of the tone in your ears to individually calibrate each bud, producing personalized audio and world's best noise cancellation. Note, ensure your product is up to date for the best performance. Okay, let's continue with that. Get started. Okay, so now let's put it in the ear. So taking them out, as you can see, this is the right side. Let's put it in the ear. Oh, they fit quite well. And it sent a nice chime. And it's also saying battery is 70%. Sent another chime. Wow, that feels good. And this is what the inside of the case kind of looks like. There's a plastic here, which I need to take out. That's it. Done. So the case obviously lights up like this. What it says here is basically adjustments to the ear tips. You do get additional ear tips inside of the box. So inside of the box, basically what you have is you take this out and you can chuck it aside. There is Let's Start the Music pamphlet, which you can take it out. That's this one. And again, there's QR code if you want to install the app again. You also get these additional ear tips. The medium size comes in fitted in the earbuds, and you get these additional, so small and large. And depending on your fit, you can adjust them or change them. So you can keep this to the side. You also get the USB-A to USB-C cable to be able to charge the case. Obviously, it fits in like this. That's it. And there is additional papers That's pretty much what you get in the box. Now let's continue on the phone. It's searching for the earbuds. It says not available, but I think now it's connected. So this is what the app kind of looks like. As you can see here, UI of the app is pretty amazing. The left is 60% and the right is 70%. There are different modes. If you go inside the modes right here, you get multiple modes. So there's the quiet, and then there's the aware, and you can create more modes. Quiet is basically with the active noise cancellation turned on, and it basically blocks out majority of the external noise. Aware is basically like the transparency mode that you get inside of the Apple AirPods. And this is kind of mimicking that. It's not as good as the Apple AirPods Pro transparency mode. You also have EQ here. So you can go there and adjust the EQ to your liking. The app is kind of slow. It says something went wrong. You can see here that you have multiple EQs. You can change this according to your liking. So let's go back, and you have tips, you have Bluetooth source, and you have shortcuts. I don't want to go into the details of the entire functionality of this app, but let's see how the music sounds when you're playing music on YouTube or something like that. The bass feels pretty amazing than the AirPods Pro. I'm currently listening to the music in aware mode. So what if I change the mode to the app kind of went all blank? So that's not good. I don't know if this is just an Android kind of thing. I can obviously try this in my Samsung device as well, but this is what I'm currently facing. The app basically blanked out when I switched from YouTube to the Bose Music app. So let's go inside the app again. I did a hot restart of the app. So it's connected. Let's go in the connected, and then, okay, now let's go to modes. Let's go to quiet. Okay, the quiet mode is active. So let's switch over to YouTube. Now let's play the same music. This does sound better than my AirPods Pro. It's not as good as the AirPods Max, but it does sound better than the AirPods Pro. The bass is way better than the AirPods Pro. No doubt. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I would say, for these earbuds. I'm gonna basically try them for the 2 weeks or so. And what I'm gonna be doing is come up with a comparison video with the AirPods Pro and how this compares with the AirPods Pro, and I'll give you my honest opinion. So this is basically the unboxing and the setup. Obviously, the Android app of the Bose Music app had issues, due to which I had a little bit of trouble, but nonetheless, this does sound good. In my review video, I'm also going to be giving you my thoughts if the 429 Australian dollars is actually worth it for this, or the 399 Australian dollars AirPods Pro is going to be worth it, because you can connect the AirPods Pro to an Android device as well. So let's see. I'll leave it there for now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.